What I want to go over with is the revived technology that we have. We've been in the hydrogen industry for 17 years. We've been doing cleanings for the DPF technology for about 6, 7 years now. And there's a lot of hydrogen units out there. They do not produce the same gas. We developed a unit that makes a higher percentage of ortho hydrogen and ortho oxygen and diatomic hydrogen and diatomic oxygen. But the state of this video is I'm proving to people that we remove the ash in the DPF, and I actually have contracts or POs from a truck company from the dealership. We're talking about Freightliner, okay? And they stated that the DPF is end of life and it's like a $14,000 repair, okay? So we do our cleaning, put the precise amount of our hydrogen technology into the engine, and we get the ash down to like 2 or 3%. You know, sometimes we get them all the way to zero. But, and again, a lot of people say, oh, there's no way you're burning the ash. I have probably 55 to 60 mechanics now that have witnessed the smell of ash burning at the end of the tailpipe. So I just want to show you some data that we've done for a huge company. They have 300 trucks. We've already saved them about $300,000 in repair costs, and it hasn't stopped there. So I want to put myself on the camera here to talk about this technology. Again, there's a lot of people doing, you know, hydrogen cleaning, but you just don't throw hydrogen into an engine. We have a specific amount for a specific engine. So, and this is why we get these great results. We've also gone to the California labs. We've got 3 EOs. We've done months of testing to get these numbers as best as we can, and we're constantly advancing the technology. So just want to show you some data here, and have a nice day.